Hello class, good afternoon. So today I'll discuss parallel, intersecting, and perpendicular lines that you can find on page 263 to 265. So today let's talk about lines. So when you say line is a set of points that follows a straight path and extends indefinitely in both direction. So it means that in this line there are set of points connecting to make it a line. So there are so many points in this line and extends indefinitely in both directions. We use two distinct points to name a line. Just like this one, we name this line as line AB. Line AB, or in symbol, you can write it in this form. You notice that there is an arrow in both sides of the line. So this arrow or the double arrow in the symbol for a line indicates that the line extends both direction without an end. It means this arrow, it will extend over and over without an end. So that is a line. So there are different types of lines. Let's just review. So this one is vertical. I will repeat, vertical. This one is horizontal. I will repeat, this is horizontal, and this one is a diagonal line. Okay? Again, vertical, horizontal, and diagonal. So now let's talk about parallel lines, intersecting lines, and perpendicular lines. So when you say parallel lines, these lines never cross each other. So we have five examples here. Okay. So this one is a parallel line because even you will extend the line, they will never meet. So this is parallel line in vertical form. This is also a parallel line in horizontal form, and this is also a parallel line in diagonal. But this one, is this a parallel lines? So this is not a parallel line, or these lines are not parallel lines, because if you will extend the line, these two lines will meet. So it's not a parallel line. Next, this one, the two lines meet at this point, therefore it is not a parallel line. Next is intersecting line. When you say intersecting lines, lines that cross each other. So if the two lines meet at one point, that is what we call intersecting line. So this one is intersecting line, and even if you will extend, and this one is intersecting line, and this one, because the two lines meet, that is intersecting lines. Next is perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines form a square corners. So it forms a square corner here, therefore it is perpendicular line. The same with this one. But these two lines are not perpendicular, they are just intersecting lines. So intersecting lines, they meet. But this perpendicular line can also be intersecting lines. Perpendicular line can be intersecting lines, but not all intersecting lines are perpendicular lines. So we have a figure here with a set of lines, and we have question. The first question is line that intersects with GC. So what is line GC? So this is line GC. And the question is line that intersects GC. So as you can see, if this is line GC, the line that intersects with GC is line EF, or it can be line AB. So neither of the two, line EF or line AB, because they intersect line GC. So I will just write line EF. Next, parallel side to EF. So where is line EF? This is line EF. So is there any parallel line to EF? There's none. So none. Next, intersecting lines that do not form square corners at their intersection. So what is that? Intersecting lines that do not form square corners. First is line EF and line AB. EF and AB. So as you can see, they intersect but they do not form a square corner. Aside from line EF and line AB, we can also write line AB and line GF. Line AB and line GF. So next is parallel to AC or parallel to AG. So this is line AG, and what's the parallel line to AG? ED. Last one, perpendicular to ED. So this is line ED. So what do you think is the line that is perpendicular to ED? So if this is ED, then it is perpendicular to line DC or DG. It's up to you. So it is perpendicular to line DC. These two lines, they can form a square corner here. For your activity, answer practice A and B on page 267. Take a photo of your answer, send it by private message, deadline January 7.